Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí orí ètò kíkọ́ èdè Yorùbá. Ẹ kú ọjọ́ mẹ́ta. You are welcome to Yoruba learning session. It's been a while. We talked about different topics and talking about the same vocabulary, building vocabulary in Yoruba. We talked about kitchen utensils. We talked about sports. We'll be talking about sport very soon. We also talked about respect in our previous video, so I want you to watch other videos that we have released. Today we'll be talking about clothing. You know, clothing is part of Yoruba culture and how we refer to the clothes that we wear. Ẹ káàbọ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí orí ètò Yorùbá. À ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa vocabulary Yorùbá àti ohun tí a ti ṣe sẹ́yìn. A ti sọ̀rọ̀ nípa bí a ṣe ń bọ̀wọ̀ fún àwọn èèyàn ní èdè Yorùbá, àwọn nǹkan tí a máa ń lò nínú ilé ìdáná tí a ń pè ní kitchen. Lónìí à ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa aṣọ ní èdè Yorùbá àti bí a ṣe ń júwe aṣọ, bí a ṣe lè lò nínú gbólóhùn. Gbólóhùn is a sentence, how we use clothing material or clothes, a particular cloth in a sentence. So fún àpẹẹrẹ, for example, I'm wearing agbada. Agbada is a flowing gown, usually, or flowing garment, usually used by men. These days I've seen ladies wear agbada, but typically in Yoruba culture, men wear agbada. Agbada can be in different colors. Agbada lè wà ní oríṣiríṣi àwọ̀. Agbada lè jẹ́ àwọ̀ funfun. It can be white color, white. It can be black. It can be brown. White is funfun. Black is dúdú. And so mo wọ agbada. I'm wearing agbada. Mo wọ agbada. Ewu is, it can go for top. So ewu lè jẹ́ something like a t-shirt you are putting on. It can also be the top for buba àti ṣòkòtò. Buba àti ṣòkòtò. Ewu is what you wear on your upper part of your body. Ewu is also almost the same thing as buba, because ewu can go for buba, but buba is actually something that goes with the other part of the cloth that complements it. For men, you can wear buba àti ṣòkòtò. That's the top for the Yoruba kind of design. The top, while the trouser, which the American calls pants, is referred to as ṣòkòtò. Buba is the top, ṣòkòtò is the trousers that you wear. Àwọ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ goes for any underwears. It could be for singlet, it could be for pants, you know. Àwọ̀tẹ́lẹ̀. Ní èdè Yorùbá, a máa ń pe pant ní pátá ní èdè Yorùbá. A ti sọ̀rọ̀ nípa agbádá. A tún lè sọ̀rọ̀ nípa dànsíkí. Dansiki is more like agbada, but it's a bit shorter or smaller. Dansiki. Eku is the cloth that the masculine people usually use. It's still part of Yoruba culture. I don't necessarily wear eku, but that's what they call it. Yeri. Yeri is very funny. I think yeri is the underwear for the ladies. Yeah, it could also be a big skirt sometimes. Yeah, they call it elderly people. These days you don't see young people talk about yeri, but those are called, you know, clothes in Yoruba. Other things like nika, ṣòkòtò péńpé is nika. Are there other Yoruba clothing that you want us to talk about? You can ask us in the comment section. I'm just trying to think about it. But lest I forget, I'm wearing a fila. Fila is cap ní èdè Yorùbá. Fila is cap. Àti sọ̀rọ̀ nípa, even tó ẹ bá wo, tẹ́ bá ti ń wo ohun tí mo wọ fìlà, mo wọ agbádá, mo wọ ẹ̀wù sísàlẹ̀, ṣòkòtò sì ń bẹ ní abẹ́ agbádá tí mo wọ. So you can think about any other clothing that you wear in Yoruba. You can ask me in the comment section. I'm willing to let you know. I just want you to continue to form a vocabulary around it. So quickly before I round up, I will just try to form sentence around some of these things that I've mentioned. So fún àpẹẹrẹ, mo wọ agbádá. I'm wearing a agbádá, the garment, this garment that you are seeing on me. Buba ó wà ní abẹ́ agbádá mi. That is the top. Mo wọ bùbá àti ṣòkòtò. That's the top. I'm wearing the top and the trouser. Fún obìnrin, for women, it will be bùbá àti ìró, bùbá àti ìró fún obìnrin. Women will wear bùbá and ìró. Ìró is like a wrapper, a loose piece of clothes. Like there's a way you wrap it around yourself and it looks beautiful on Yoruba ladies or anybody that likes to wear it. A ti sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ṣòkòtò, a ti sọ̀rọ̀ nípa àwọ̀tẹ́lẹ̀. Mo wọ àwọ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ dúdú. I'm wearing a white singlet. So I told you àwọ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ could be several, anything underwear. Yeah. Mo wọ àwọ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ dúdú. Mi ò wọ àwọ̀tẹ́lẹ̀. I'm not wearing a singlet. So àwọ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ could also be, any other underwear. Yeah. A ti sọ̀rọ̀ nípa agbádá. Mo fẹ́ràn agbádá funfun. Mo fẹ́ràn láti wọ agbádá funfun. I love wearing white agbádá. So I talked about the agbádá. Àdéhùn jù báyìí lọ lórí ètò yìí. Mo fẹ́ kí ẹ̀yin náà kẹ́ sọ gbólóhùn kan pẹ̀lú èdè Yorùbá kan tí ẹ ti kọ́ nípa vocabulary Yorùbá kan tí ẹ ti kọ́ nípa ìlú tí à ń wọ̀. If you have any particular question, you can put it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this, and there will be so many episodes. The next episode will be about the family. You want to see how you talk about different people in the family. Look forward to that. Ẹ ṣé púpọ̀, ó dìgbà kan náà. A máa sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ìdílé ní bí a ṣe ń júwe ìdílé ní fídíò tí à ń gbé bọ̀. Ẹ ṣé o, ó dàbọ̀.